The IMD has recently announced that at least 8 states across the country will face heatwave conditions over the next few days. While global temperatures are at the highest in 100 years, in India alone nearly 130 people have died. The regions include Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Marathwada, Vidarbha, Telangana, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. Central and peninsular India has continued to witness the hottest April in recent years. Almost 100 people have died in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh due to heatwave conditions till now, while sunstroke has claimed 30 lives in Odisha. Last year, 2,035 people were killed due to heat waves in India.
Now, heat wave conditions are prevailing in some parts of the northwest India as well as east India and the south peninsular states like Telangana. Over the eastern side, it is mainly over Jharkhand and Odisha. In some parts, also West Bengal. Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha are not having heat wave, but they are just very near to the heat wave. Northwest India, for last couple of days, there is a bit of fall in the temperature because there are some clouds, but still the temperatures are well above 40 degrees centigrade over Punjab and Haryana. Delhi, even temperature is 41, 42 degrees centigrade. So yes, there are temperatures which are 2 to 3 above normal in general over the country, and there are states like, as I told you, Jharkhand and Odisha, the adjoining states of Chhattisgarh, where even heat wave conditions are prevailing.
Temperatures touched 44 degrees Celsius in 3 Telangana districts a day after Hyderabad broke a 43-year-old record, with mercury reaching the 43 degrees level. With 2015 now the hottest year since records started being kept 135 years ago, Delhi, Mumbai and other Indian cities have heated up substantially.
Monsoon rainfall for the season as a whole has been predicted about 6% more than the normal. So that means that this year's monsoon will be much better than the previous two monsoons.
Powered by NNIS.